Good morning. I'm here at Simple Machine Brewing Company, and we are going to be brewing a beer for an upcoming event. This is my second collaboration, which I'm very excited about. It's going to be with Simple Machine. It's going to be with Pourch Brewing and also Lake Pleasant Brewing Company. So we're going to be brewing all day here today. The event that we're brewing this beer for is called Gears and Beers. It's on March 23rd. It's a car show that's going to be out in the back lot behind the brewery. So that's going to be super fun. I'm very excited about it, and I'm excited to brew some more beer because I love brewing beer. So let's get in there and get started. Kind of smells like we mashed in already.
We just finished.
How's it going? Good. All right, this is Marshall.
Hey-o.
He owns, hold on, this is Marshall.
Hey-o.
He owns Simple Machine Brewing Company, and we're brewing a beer today. Can you tell everybody what we're brewing?
We are brewing a beer with Lake Pleasant and Pourch. It's a salt lime lager. It's going to be awesome, and we're going to release it on March 23rd for our car show.
Our car show. What's it called?
Gears and Beers.
Gears and Beers. Very exciting. I'm very excited to brew this beer. So, what's in the mash?
Right now, it's just base malt and Pilsner malt.
Base malt.
Nice, clean, light. Diluted it's nice and thin, so it's going to just be a really crisp, dried out lager with a hint of lime and a touch of salt.
Love that. Love that. It's going to be good.
We haven't made something like this before, so.
Oh, perfect. I love that. I love that. It's when I did the beer with Phantom Fox, it was kind of the same thing. She used hops she'd never used before, and so I love that you guys are trying something new, and that I get to be a part of it.
Yeah, we've been talking about it for a long time.
Heck yeah.
So we get to do it.
Mark your calendars, March 23rd, Gears and Beers, car show, right out here in the back of Simple Machine. There's going to be live music, too.
Yeah, we have Jonathan Thomas and the Little Room Band coming.
Yeah. It's going to be a great day. We're here. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about you and your brewery?
Hey, I'm Trevor from Pourch Brewing up here in North Phoenix. Family owned and operated, and we've been in business now for going on 6 years. We kind of like to do a little bit of everything up there, from IPAs, lagers, blondes, hefts when we can. So yeah, come check us out.
Love that. And you've won some awards, right?
We won a couple. Just recently, we won the best hazy of the valley according to Phoenix Magazine last year, right? ACBA. And
love that.
Yeah.
Well, and we're here at Brewing because you guys are going to be at Gears and Beers as well.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
It's going to be a good day.
Good.
This is Dustin. Dustin, tell us about yourself.
I'm Dustin. I'm one of the owners of Lake Pleasant Brewing. Stop by, making a beer with Marshall for their event on the 23rd, March 23rd. It's going to be fantastic. Lime, lager, easy drinking. We're looking forward to it. This has been a great day. I showed up a little bit late, but Who's counting? No, this is fantastic. We always look forward to doing collabs with our friends, and just glad to be a part of it.
Yeah, man. And your brewery, how long have you been around now?
Just celebrated 3 years. 3 years in February. Yeah.
Anything you specialize in? You kind of make a little bit of everything?
Yeah,
you guys do a lot of German styles, a lot of European
we
styles?
do, compared to most, I think we make a little bit more of the German beers, but we try and have something for everybody.
Yeah.
That's our goal.
With a name like Johann, I really like the German styles.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, so, yeah, go check out Lake Pleasant.
Thanks, guys.
Hi, Coley.
Hi.
So we're just finishing up the boil, right?
I guess boil's done.
Boil's done. We're whirlpooling.
And I already started transferring.
We're already
Okay,
transferring.
sorry.
No, that's okay. That's perfect, actually. Let's go look at that. So we are transferring now. That's what it's gonna look like. Going into the fermenter. It's coming out of the boil kettle through this temperature transfer. So we have cold water coming in on one end, hot beer coming in on the other end. Then it's following this orange line all the way around to the fermenter, where we're then gonna add the yeast once that's done, once it's in there. And then it's gonna ferment, and it'll be ready for the Gears and Beers event on March 23rd. So come out to Simple Machine Brewing Company on March 23rd for the Gears and Beers. It's a car show. If you like cool classic cars, we already have a 1924 Ford Model T that's signed up to be there. It's gonna be super cool. So come out to that. It's another one of my events. One of many events in March. So take it easy, and we'll see you at the next episode.